Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for an authentic Goan dish made with minced meat, potatoes, green peas, all simmered in a specially prepared Goan Green Spice paste. This flavorful dish will definitely leave you craving for more. Our recipe for today is Goan Kheema, also called Goan mince. Step 1. Marinating the mince. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of beef mince. You can also use chicken or mutton mince. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Mix well. Make sure the meat is washed before mincing, because if you wash the minced meat, you will lose all those incredible flavors. Cover and keep aside for half an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak it in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 3 onions of medium size. Cut them fine. 2 tomatoes of medium size. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized potatoes. Cut them into small cubes. Place the potatoes in a bowl and cover them with water to prevent them from becoming brown due to oxidation. Take a heaped half cup or around 100 grams of green peas. Take 2 cups of loosely packed coriander or cilantro leaves. 4 green chilies. If you have small spicy variety, then add just 2 of them. 1-inch size piece of ginger. 10 cloves of garlic. Cut them into small pieces for grinding. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1-inch stick of cinnamon. 6 cloves. 2 green cardamoms. Step 3. Grinding the ingredients. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water. Add the other spices. Now add the small pieces of green chilies, ginger and garlic. Also add the coriander leaves. Grind to a fine paste. Add the ground paste in a bowl. Use 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to rinse the paste left in the mixer and add it in the same bowl. Ground paste is ready. Step 4. Cooking the mince. On medium heat in an open, thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the finely cut tomatoes. Stir it nicely. Add half cup or 125 ml of water to soften the tomatoes faster. Stir it nicely. Cover and cook for around 3 minutes or until the tomatoes have become soft and mushy. Open the pan. Stir everything nicely. Once the tomatoes have become soft and mushy, add the marinated meat mince. Mix everything together while continuing to open up the mince. Ensure that there are no lumps. Break any lumps that are present.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After 5 minutes, add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for around 20 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After 20 minutes, open the pan. Stir everything properly. Add the potatoes and cook them along with the meat. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add half cup or 125 ml of water to cook the potatoes. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 10 minutes, open the pan. Stir everything properly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Add the ground paste. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for around 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan. Stir everything properly. We have not added sugar, but you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar if you prefer. When the potatoes are almost done, add the green peas. Mix everything properly. Since we use frozen peas, they will only need 5 minutes to cook, hence we have added them now. But if you are using fresh green peas, then you need to add them 5 minutes after adding the potatoes. Add half cup or 125 ml of water to cook the green peas. If you want more gravy in the keema, just add a little more water to get the consistency you prefer. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, open the pan. Check for salt, sourness and add if required. If you find the sourness is less, you can add a little vinegar to compensate. We added half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Check to see if the potatoes are cooked. They should be well done from within. If they are still not 100% done, cook the keema for some more time and then repeat the test once again. Delicious Goan Kheema or mince is ready. This flavorful dish will definitely leave you craving for more. Serve the keema or mince hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.